For the jackfruit curry, the things that we need are 3 medium-sized potatoes, 2 onions. See, these are quarter of a mango. So I have taken 2 quarters of a large-sized mango, 4 medium-sized tomatoes, few green chilies, and this is boiled jackfruit. Since that is the time of the corona pandemic, so what I do is I go market once in a week and I buy vegetables. So this jackfruit I bought 4 or 5 days ago. After coming from the market, I washed it, chopped it, and I pressure cooked it with 2 whistles with little salt and little turmeric. And then I drained the water and cooled it down. After that, I kept it in the refrigerator, and this is how we store vegetables these days. So the other ingredients that we need I'll show you soon. So now we will chop the vegetables, and after that we are coming back. Here I have chopped the potatoes in medium pieces and also the mangoes in small ones. Later I'll chop the tomatoes and onions respectively. First we will heat up a kadai and then we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and let it get warmed up. The oil is warm and we will now add the potatoes. Followed by half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of salt, and we will mix it thoroughly, and then we will cover it and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes in low flame. After 5 to 6 minutes we will uncover the lid and we will check if the potatoes are 80% done. If they are ready, then we will take it out. These potatoes are done and now we will take them out. Next, in the same kadai we will add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and when they get warm we will fry the jackfruits in it. There is no need to cover the lid. We will fry the jackfruits in medium flame without covering them for another 2-3 minutes just to get the moisture out of them and the water content. Jackfruits are really healthy and they're also very good for summers. So eating a jackfruit is must in the summer season. Frying the jackfruits for 2-3 minutes, stirring them in between until they get a light golden color and the moisture is little less. After the jackfruits are fried for 2-3 minutes, I removed them, and in the same yolk I heated up around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and added in it split red chili, followed by whole cumin seeds 2 teaspoon, and after you get the nice aroma we add the chopped onions. And we'll mix them thoroughly and we'll fry them for a minute and add a little sugar in it so that they get a nice golden color when the sugar caramelizes. After 1 minute, when the onions are fried, we will add the chopped mangoes in it, and then we will add around a half teaspoon of salt in it so that the mangoes get a little mushy. Now cover the mangoes and let it cook for 2 minutes. After that we are coming back. After 2 minutes, we will uncover the lid. Please remember to keep the heat to low to medium flame when frying the mangoes. Our mangoes are a little mushy, and now we will add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and we will mix them thoroughly, and we will fry the mixture until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Please keep the heat to low flame so that the mixture doesn't get burnt. It is very important to fry the ginger and garlic paste very well. So if the mixture gets sticky with the yolk, add 1 tablespoon of water and again mix it thoroughly and keep on frying it for 1 minute more until the raw flame disappears and you will get a sweet aroma out of it. Masala is fried well. Now it's time to add the tomatoes, followed by a little salt so that the tomatoes tenderize, and we will mix it well and we will cover it and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Our masala is getting fried and now it's time to make things a little spicy. So now we will add the spices. First we will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 2 teaspoon of red chili powder or more if you like it bit chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin seeds powder, and add 1 tablespoon of water so that we can fry the spices, mix them very well with the masalas. Add the masalas for 2 minutes in low flame, and now I am adding 2 cups of water and we will mix it thoroughly. If you want to be dry, then add 1 cup of water, but I have added 2 cups since I want to keep it gravy based, and we will now keep it covered and let it come to a boil. The water has started boiling and you can see the vapor coming out. So now it's time to uncover it and we will add the jackfruit and the potatoes in it, and we will mix it very well. We have mixed it very well, and now we will cover it and keep it in medium flame and let it boil to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes we came back, and now is the time to check for the salt and the chilies. So I suggest you don't add red chili anymore and add green chili because it adds a flavor to it. So also check the potatoes if they are tender or not. Now I tasted it and I think I needed a little bit of salt, so I added around half teaspoon of salt in it, and that's it. And I will add the green chilies also, and I'll mix it well and also let it cover and cook for another 2-3 minutes. We returned after 2-3 minutes and our mango jackfruit curry is almost done. Now it's time to add the final ingredients, and so after mixing well and see how the gravy looks so beautiful, now we'll add around half teaspoon of sugar to balance everything. And we will mix it very well and For the last time we will cover it and we'll cook it for half minute so that the sugar dissolves well with the gravy. So coming back after half minute. So after half minute we came back and see how the gravy looks so tempting. Everything has mixed up very well and potatoes and jackfruits have tenderized too. So now we will add the final ingredients, and first we will switch off the gas and we will add the final ingredients, which are half teaspoon of ghee and 1 small teaspoon of homemade garam masala. This is the Bengali garam masala which has least ingredients but tastes superb. And after adding the garam masala, we won't mix the gravy, we'll just cover and we will serve it directly after 1 minute. We are back after 1 minute and our sweet and sour delicious jackfruit curry is ready. Just mix it a little and take it out in the serving plate. So if you have liked this recipe, then please let me know how it turned out for you. Please prepare this recipe, and jackfruits are one of the favorite items of summer. My jackfruit curry is served, and if you have liked this recipe, then let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to your beautiful messages. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself.